Hey everyone, JasonGelios, Miinute Realtor here. Want to share with you a quick tip on this in this 2-minute tip video. So, choose a broker, a mortgage broker, if you're looking for better options when you're looking to buy a home or even refinance, quite honestly. There's nothing wrong with going to the local bank, right, on the corner, if they're still around. I know a lot of them are closing, actually, because everyone's doing things online or whatnot. But I know sometimes people like to go in to the bank where they have their savings account, their checking account, wherever, and they say, you know what, I'm going to talk to the guy in the office or the girl in the office. I've known them for 20 years. Nothing wrong with that, okay? I'm not knocking that. But when you deal with a retail bank, you have to fit in their guidelines, and you're offered their rate. You're not offered many options. You're offered, hey, this is what our bank is offering, and pretty much take it or leave it, right? So when you work with a mortgage broker, and I know this from experience, also I was a mortgage broker, so maybe I'm a little bit biased, but when you work with a mortgage broker, they can get you the best option. They can look at what you need to do, who's going to offer it to you, right? Because they shop the banks. So imagine having somebody talking to multiple banks, name brand banks, right? The big banks, they have wholesalers that work with brokers, and they're getting you the best option. They're getting you the best rate. They say, hey, guess what? I looked around, right? 2 banks would be great for you. One's offering this rate, maybe these terms, the other one, right? You get options. You're not stuck having to fit in a box with a retail bank. So as much as you can, at least look into a mortgage broker. It's going to be better for you. It's going to save you money too. Yeah, you might have a relationship with, the retail bank down the street, but are they really going to give you the best option? Okay? Because they can only do so much. They might love you big time. They might know your kids by name and all this stuff, right? When their birthdays are, all that cool stuff. But they can only offer you what the bank is offering. They can't just say, you know what, because we've known you for so long, we're going to give you, an extra % off. It doesn't happen. Okay, you have to fit into their guidelines, and they're usually tighter with guidelines. So I always recommend going with a mortgage broker versus going with your average retail bank. They're great for buying a car, buying a boat, 4-wheeler, whatever, right? But when you're buying a home, go with somebody who specializes in that, not just somebody who offers to do a mortgage, for someone who walks in. Maybe somebody was making a deposit and they say, oh, we do mortgages, okay? So just a quick tip here. I went over 2 minutes, but I hope you find this valuable. Be sure to share this with other people who may find this valuable, whether they're doing a refinance or doing a home purchase. And if you need a referral to a competent, experienced lender, let me know. Share that in the comments. Share your thoughts in general in the comments below. Really appreciate you guys watching. Be sure to visit it'sallabouttherealestate.com.